Hello everyone, I'm Satyam Singh. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel and I'm going to teach you about Bhramari Pranayama. Now let's practice Bhramari Pranayama. Let's go. Basically, in this pranayama, we'll sit in Padmasana, Siddhasana, Sukhasana, and spine should be straight, hands should be by the knees in Jaan or Chin Mudra. In this, we close our eyes and sit down and just take our both the hands onto both the eyes and then close your eyes, and after that we first of all inhale and deeply and silently. When you exhale out, then we should create a sound like black humming bee. Will reverberate our this portion and concentrate onto your Ajja chakra. This is Bhramari Pranayama. Now, there are various benefits of this pranayama. If we'll talk about the benefits, then Bhramari relieves stress and cerebral tension. It helps in alleviating anger, anxiety, and insomnia problem. Increases the healing and capacity of the body. It strengthens and improves the voice. And Bhramari induces a meditative state by harmonizing the mind and directing the awareness inward. The vibration of the humming sound creates a soothing effects on the mind and our nervous system. So Bhramari Pranayama is good for our whole body. All our mental disorders are get away by practicing this pranayama. So first of all, we'll sit in Padmasana, Siddhasana, Sukhasana. Hands should be on the knees and spine should be straight. Close your eyes and take your hands. Now close your both the eyes with your fingers and your hands. Your hand should be on this position. And you can also close your ears after. You have to close your ears. You have to flap your ears cover by both the toes of the hands. Now inhale deeply and silently. When you will complete your breathe inward and close your ears with your both the toes and then create a sound like black humming bee. Reverberate your head. Inhale. Again, exhale out with creating a sound like black humming bee. Inhale. Inhale. Now after that you can relax your both hands and then slightly open your eyes by relaxing your face muscles, eye muscles. Now open your eyes and you are in a state of calm and cool. It is very beneficial for our whole body. Basically are all mental disorders and your head problems, and in this we have to concentrate onto the Ajja chakra and then it calms down our body. So friends, hope you like this video, and the persons who are suffering from heavy stress problems, head problems or any head injury, they should not perform this pranayama. All others can perform this, and do this pranayama daily for 10 to 15 minutes. And I have showed you 5 rounds. You can perform more than 5 rounds, you can perform 10 rounds, 15 rounds. And this is very good pranayama, very good practice for your all disorders. It strengthen our memory and sharp our memory, and we benefit it in a nice way. So friends, this is basically by the name, by the word, we are just getting Brahmari, that is like a black humming bee. So this is all about black humming bee and reverberating our whole head and temper. So friends, hope you like this video, and do it daily. And I have showed you 5 rounds, and you should perform more than 5 rounds. So friends, hope you like this video. We'll meet you in a new video. So thank you very much. Thank you. Jai Hind.